Hi Kids Edge Kids, I'm Morgan. I went to Kids Edge Preschool too, 7 years ago. And today, I'm going to take you on a backyard nature adventure with my brothers and my sister. And a nature adventure doesn't even have to start very far from home. Here we have a bird's nest in our very own garage. And look, here comes the mom to feed the babies. My sister Lucy. She's going to tell you about the caterpillars.
These caterpillars are monarch caterpillars, and they eat the milkweed, and they turn into monarch butterflies.
Show us.
These are the monarch butterflies.
The monarch caterpillars.
Caterpillars.
These are what turn into the butterflies. You know, actually, these caterpillars will form a hard shell around them and then hatch out of that shell, and that's when they turn into butterflies.
So they hatch into caterpillars and then they go into butterflies?
Brother Hayes, he likes to lift up rocks to see about the many living things that live under the rock. Go on, Hayes, lift up the rock.
There's nothing under
There's not much. Oh, do you see that? That bug that just scurried under there? You can find lots of things like worms. See, a worm right there. And some beetles. And grubs sometimes. This is my brother Wyatt, and this is our toy pond. What have you caught, Wyatt?
I have caught
A little... And what is this, Wyatt?
A sunset.
Sunfish. What are some cool things about the sunfish?
It has
Did you make that spiky top?
a spiky dorsal fin that's pointing backwards, so if a predator eats it, it will get stuck in their throat.
Whoa, that's weird. Why don't you let it go? Wyatt has also caught many other things because he loves to fish so much. What other things are in this pond?
Turtles.
Turtles. That's
And-
right.
There's red goldfish.
We're going to lift another rock to see what we can find. Oh, look. Just like I said before, there is a grub. And these grubs are baby beetles. You know the beetles that fly around? This is a baby beetle.
Let's see, Hayes. Wyatt,
look,
what do you
3
use
of
grubs for? Catching sunfish and...
Going in the woods.
Are you serious? Oh my god!
Catfish.
Scoop him up with your net. Ugh! Give me your net. Give me
I
your net.
want to do
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Okay, I'll keep him from going up. Hey, see, did
Oh, I saw.
Oh, there he is. Hey, give me the net. Give me the net. Put it. Hey, here, over here, over here.
And a catfish. That's Arnold?
Ooh.
Put it back in
Let me see his little face. Oh.
This is a spiral shell. And I found it with, what's this?
A colander.
A colander.
Wait, hold it really still. Wow.
One of the fun things about going on backyard adventures is that you can build forts. Here's one of our forts. This fort primarily belongs to Lucy since she's the one that made it.
there's lots of animals that you can explore, but maybe animals slither into your and crawl into your foot.
Yeah, that sometimes happens.
Guys, check out my fork.
Kids, we found a friendly lizard, and it's a neighborhood lizard. And you see here.
Okay, so you just hold out your hand like this and show up the whole body. You won't. I just caught a skink. See? You can tell because he has really tiny legs right here.
Can you hold him out so we can get a better look at him?
He's really long. He kind of looks like a snake, right?
A little bit. Bye, skink. Wanna let him go?
I just caught a toad. And he's very jumpy. One special feature about a toad is that they spray pee when they're angry. Okay, bye.
Hey guys, look what my brother Wyatt caught. A red-eared slider turtle. We're pretty sure it is. Let's try and make him eat. Oh, he's got a worm in his mouth. Let's see if he'll eat the strawberry though.
No. Come on, it's yummy. It's yummy. Eat it. Eat it. Come on. Come on. You can do it, Mr. Turtle. You can do it. Ah! He bit the stick, not the strawberry. You're not supposed to do that, Mr. Turtle. They're called red-eared sliders because they've got, because they've got little stripes of red right where their ears are. Look, come on. It's right there. Are you gonna eat it? Are you gonna eat it? Come on.
Yay!
Yay! Come, whoop!
See where he's going. Morgan, what is this on his side?
Oh no, it looks like he got hurt. You know, shells are like their bones. It looks like maybe he broke the bone a little bit and it didn't heal very well. Hey, we're gonna let this turtle go back to his home. We're just gonna put him right here in that water and walk away and see what he does. Hey, look at this. This is clay. Clay is a much finer dirt that holds water for a long time. It's sticky and stretchy, kind of like Play-Doh. You've played with Play-Doh, right? You can also make stuff out of it. See? You can make all sorts of little random things. And you leave it to dry, and it gets super hard. We've learned and saw so many things in our backyard nature adventure, haven't we, Kids Edge Kids? Oh, look! A wild strawberry. Thanks for coming in our backyard adventure. Bye!